Alright guys, we're all done at our job site in Conestoga, PA. I'll walk you through it. So, let's start here, the backyard. We installed 9 yards of this 1 to 3 inch river jack. Also did a concrete basic border. I actually got that from Lowe's, which was awesome. Good price on it. Comes around, tucks into the stairs. All the way around the border of the house. Gives it a nice sharp look. I really like the size of rocks because these people have younger kids, and if their kids get into them, you can at least find them in the yard. They don't get in the grass. You don't shoot them out with a mower and break your windows. Coming around. Bigger area. Next spring, probably going to do some seeding and mulching in the areas that weren't done with the rock, maybe some planting. And then we ended it off with a nice little 6 by 6.5 pad. They're getting a lot of mud there when it rained and everything, so that definitely cleared up that issue, and they're going to have some new doors installed. Thanks for watching, guys.